Welcome to PC Academy. In this video I'm going to be replacing a Digitizer on an Apple iPad 7th Gen. I've previously done a video on one of these, however when this iPad came in, due to the extent of the smashed Digitizer, I thought, well, let's just do one more for people to see, because sometimes the worse they are, the more difficult or the more time consuming they are to get off. So let's jump straight into this video and see how I got on with this iPad. So at this stage, I've just cleaned it enough so that I can get to all the screws. And as before, we'll have to check. There could be some hot wax still in these if the screen's never been off, again, that we've got to dig out. I don't know why it always seems to be that I get the really smashed ones. I'm never lucky enough to get a damaged screen that's maybe just one crack across the thing. But anyway, let's carry on. There's no real nice way of getting digitizers off that are this badly damaged. Any particles or anything that get on the LCD at this stage, I don't try and lift off. I will clean them off with an industrial compression later, and then clean the LCD fully. For now, we're just concentrating on getting the LCD out. Okay, the LCD is not coming on, so now we know that the battery's disconnected. So the bottom cover is now completely cleaned. I've been all the way around the perimeter of it cleaning it, and I've cleaned it all out for any shards of debris of glass, and I've also cleaned the LCD. Now it's a case of working on this home button and just getting this off the digitizer. So that's currently the home button off. Unfortunately, I couldn't video me doing that because I needed my magnifier. My eyes are not as good as they used to be. So at least the home button is now off. Okay, so we'll move on to getting this on the new screen. Okay, so that's the home button now all in place. We've applied a bit of glue to strengthen it, so we'll leave that to go off now, and then we'll get it fitted back onto the iPad. In the next video, I'm currently working on some laptops that have come in, a gaming one that doesn't boot correctly. So I'm going to make a start on that laptop now and see what faults that throws up. So until that video, thanks for watching. Bye for now.